Secret Story Cafe, which is located in Limokra near St. Anthony's College. So since last week we have planned that we will visit this place and we will like to have some food and taste it, because I have seen in Google or like in YouTube also that it is a very beautiful place and a very tasty food. So we will like to try this food, and will like we have planned to visit this place, but we cannot visit it. So today we will be visiting that place, and we are going to tell you how it is. So if it is good, we are going to tell you the score. Like we will be telling you how the food it is, and we will be showing you how it looks. So let's go and let's see. Beautiful flowers. Guys, now we have reached here. Now we will be going inside and we will show you how it is. Before we go inside, just see how they decorate the gates, how they decorate inside. So let's go and watch. Guys, now we have entered inside, so come, let's choose what we will have. Now we have ordered cheesy potato stick and Haka noodles because I'm vegetarian, and he ordered Nasi Goreng. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let's try.
I also don't know that Nasi Goreng I want. I also don't know that.
It's our first time visiting here, so we are trying this food. I don't know what type of food it is. Okay, so let's see how it tastes, and we will be telling you, we will inform you how it is. So if it is good, so please do visit this place. It is such a beautiful place. And we have ordered cafe mocha, only one, so because we cannot eat that much. It's kind of like, it's like a house only, kind of. Yeah? Such a beautiful place it is. Very silent. I don't think so. Many of you knows about this place. Then, so do visit this place, guys. The food have arrived. Hungry and we want to enjoy our food. Guys, we will be sharing, like we will be telling you the points, like how it is, does it taste good or bad. Let's taste how it
Suck đấy. Spicy. I like this yolk or what?
Even for Haka noodles, I'll give 10 out of 10. It's too good.
So different.
What's this? What?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
I am a vegetarian, but BBQ.
This one is the cheesy potato. Yeah.
Cheesy potato stick, how it will look.
Good.
It's too hot. I cannot even taste properly.
Yeah.
I thought there was cheese inside.
Look here.
Have you tried corn dog? If you want to try corn dog, right? Do visit White Flower. Yeah.
White flour.
White Flower. It is located in
Would you like your
Marikina.
mocha now?
Pardon?
Would you like your mocha now?
Yeah. My stomach is just mud. Just mud. But it is tasty. Mocha is here. Mocha is here.
Only for me, not for her. Because she don't want.
I don't want it, but still, I'll have it.
So much that we have. Like as spices, apple. Forget about that. Just our.
the paper show. Oh yeah. So
That is good.
also same thing.
That is bad, no? That is really bad.
Really?
So we are done and we'll see you guys outside, okay? Because now we are going to swimming. So now we are leaving.
Piet. Tonton ko piet na.
Secret story.
Meron piet to full dia.
मेरा भी पेट फुल हो गया.
See the decoration.
They are creative, na?
So now we will leaving this secret story.
So guys, now we are leaving and do visit this place, na? They are very kind and because they are like this, so the food is too good, so
Very
tasty. It is, yeah. So please do visit this place and have fun. Take photos, click photos everywhere you want. So it is very enjoyable. It is a very peaceful place. So please do visit. It is located in Laimukra near which college? St. Anthony's College. I always forget. So guys, now we would like to end our video here. Bye bye, and please share, comment, subscribe.